Hello everyone, this is Rima, clinical dietitian and nutritionist. We all know India has already been declared as type 2 diabetic capital. Today I want to discuss about the most controversial subject, whether diabetic patients should consume carbohydrates or not, or should they completely give up on carbohydrates. To get the answer for this question, we need to understand first of all what is carbohydrates, what is the role of carbohydrates in our body, and what comes under carbohydrates. So carbohydrate is basically one of the macronutrient. The role of carbohydrate is to provide energy to your body. When it comes to Indian diet, 80% of our diet constitutes of carbohydrates. Whatever fruits, vegetables or cereals you consume, even the lentils, some percentage of carbohydrates are there in lentils also. So 80% of your diet is basically carbohydrates. Now when you consume carbohydrates, it basically converts into glucose. There is one hormone in our body called insulin. As soon as your carbohydrates converts into glucose, the role of our insulin is to convert glucose into energy and provide to your cells. Now this energy is basically the source of the energy you need to perform your activities throughout the day. So whatever actions you are doing throughout the day, for that you need energy, and it's basically getting sourced from your carbohydrates. So why by consuming carbohydrates your blood sugar level spikes? So now there are 2-3 different conditions. First of all, if your consumption of carbohydrates is much more higher than the amount of insulin available in your body, then what will happen that whatever amount of glucose is converted into energy that your body can utilize, but whatever the excess amount of glucose is lying in your blood, that basically spikes your blood sugar level. There is one more condition called insulin resistance. Now in this particular situation, you are consuming carbohydrates, they are getting converted into glucose. Insulin is converting that glucose into energy and trying to reach to your cells, but there is a resistance happening. Your cells are not able to absorb that energy, and it comes back in the blood, and then it increases your glucose level or the sugar level of your blood. So should we completely give up on the carbohydrates to avoid this spike of blood sugar level? Well, the answer is no. First of all, if you really want to maintain your blood sugar level, your blood sugar profile well, then the very first thing you need to understand is that, as I said, carbohydrate is a source of energy. So you need to understand that how much energy you are burning throughout the day. That particular thing will decide that how much carbohydrate your body needs. Secondly, how much energy you are burning, how much active you are, that also will decide the consumption of your carbohydrate. And if you are having insulin resistance, then you really need to figure out the causes behind. You may be having like some kind of underlying condition, and even if you are obese, if you are overweight, then also your body will get resistance to insulin. So you really need to figure out that why your blood sugar level is going high. Are you eating excess amount of carbohydrates, or you are very less active, so that means your body is not utilizing that energy, or you are having insulin resistance? After getting an answer of all these things, you can actually evaluate with the help of a nutritionist that how much carbohydrates you need. This is one thing. Apart from this, carbohydrates are divided into 2 categories: simple carb and complex carb. Simple carbohydrates immediately spikes your blood sugar level because they immediately get converted into glucose. So the idea is not to consume simple carbohydrates. All you need is a complex, good quality carbohydrates. For example, rice is a simple carbohydrate, but if you are making a lot of vegetables in your rice, if the portion of rice is very less and you are adding a lot of vegetables in it, then you are actually converting this into a complex carb. Complex carb does not get converted into sugar on immediate basis. Why? Because there is a lot of fiber in it. It takes time to convert your complex carbs into glucose, and your body won't get much of a burden to immediately release the insulin. So these are all the factors you need to understand before counting your carbohydrates if you are suffering from type 2 diabetes. So if you totally give up on carbohydrates, then you may deprive from the basic source of energy and your body might face some other health conditions. So the idea is to get the balance. The idea is to evaluate the underlying conditions or the reason for your blood sugar level spikes. So ascertain those levels first and then accordingly decide that what exactly your body need. Completely giving up on carbohydrates can definitely attract lot of health issues. So stay healthy, stay safe.